So do you know, very recently, just my cousin Babu sir is there. He's telling, sir, we went to my native place. Yeah, usually we are talking to them every day. At least one time we are going to talk. He's very close to me. He's telling, uh, I went to my native place, sir, with my family. We visited some temple, sir. Arey, in that temple, everywhere my father name only there. Okay, on the gate, this gate is gifted by my father. Arey, on the walls, everywhere my father name is there. Really, I got shocked. My father, okay, so donated that much amount for this temple. Really, by seeing his name, I felt very happy. Okay, like he's sharing his experience. Okay, just I went there. There are several people told to me, okay, your father name is there in the temple. I never visited. Now just I visited to see my father name. Have you observed, right? How much the name is, how much important? The people who are coming for donations, the people are going to use. If you are going to pay 1 lakh, we will keep a big name. If you are going to pay 25,000, we will keep so and so name. If you are paying some 5,000 rupees, small name we are going to keep. Have you remembered? The name is that much important.